You searched how to buy shares of Hanza AB, and this quick walkthrough will show the practical steps. Hanza AB is a Swedish contract manufacturer for industrial and electronic components listed on CBOE EU under the ticker HANZA.ST, and this guide is educational only, not financial advice. To buy stocks, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with a photo ID, and add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker Hanza.ST to locate the company listing. Select the result that matches Hanza AB to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and inspect the price chart to understand recent movement. Confirm the name and ticker show Hanza AB and Hanza.ST before moving forward. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details including any fees and the order type before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade completes. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it over time. A soft link to eToro is in the description if you want to open an account and follow these steps.